These guys are kindly helping me to wash. This is the soap that I got, but I was advised that actually both of these work well together. By Abe and Lakay, who's actually my namesake. That's me. That's me. Just washing my hair. The shrinkage. The shrinkage, the shrinkage, the shrinkage. Calvin is now acting like he's been washing this whole time.
Yeah, I've been washing since morning.
No, even mine now. Okay, guys, it's a wash day, so I thought let me just share what goes on, how we wash. And you know the funny thing is, this is actually all my clothes from the past 3 weeks. Okay, some have been washed already, but then I keep wearing them and wearing them. You probably seen in the video, so now I have to wash. And these girls are kindly helping me. But Calvin, Mr. Olon,
I am the guy behind this whole cleaning.
No.
As you can see, trying to remove it from the first dirty water and then shifting it.
He's pretending. No, it's been a bear. Yeah.
I am telling the truth. Yes.
No, Calvin.
They have proven it.
Really?
Yeah.
How? No.
And here.
Calvin. These are okay. And then I have to finish washing these underwears. And Maya. Anyway, thank you. Oh, thank you so much, Calvin. Thank you so much, Calvin. We now leave Calvin to do it. Yeah.
Okay, Calvin, bye. Bye.
You guys are good.
Yeah.
Really?
No, because
Just
you're here.
like
You're here now.
Just take for me some still photos while I'm doing.
These guys are kindly helping
And Maya
me
is
to
also
wash.
claiming to be washing.
So she's claiming to be washing. This is the soap.
Washing.
This is the soap that I got, but I was advised by these girls, by a bear.
By Calvin. Not a bear.
By
Be real. So blind.
by Abe and Lakay, who's actually my namesake.
That's me. That's me.
So, but I was advised that actually both of these work well together. So this is a normal powder soap and also Omo soap.
No, this is Mukwana.
Mukwana soap. Yeah, so you can soak with this and you just, when you want to properly wash, you use this blue soap. Yeah, and this actually is kind of multi-purpose, right? You can use it for like dishes, right?
Yes,
yeah. So this is it basically. This is how you wash, most people wash in Uganda. And if you have and in Kampala, which is in Uganda. But if you have washing machine, you can use it. But this actually does quite a nice job.
It removes every dirt.
Yeah, it removes the dirt and everything. So it's good.
Yeah.
All right.
They also has some funny English.
Yeah?
Are you taking photos? Are you taking videos? Why?
Let her take.
Oh, you want to see how people argue and then
This is behind the scene. What we are arguing on is just behind the scene. The real thing is this.
That's good. Just because she's not that. When are you going to Ghost of Jemima?
I don't know.
You don't want?
I don't know.
Staying here is much better. No?
Yes.
You want to stay here?
Yes.
Why don't they come here?
I don't know why.
No, you're shy. You're shy?
No.
You're just hiding.
Yes.
Now we can see how the clothes are dry.
They used not to be vehicles. But not vehicles nowadays.
No. Maya.
Human being.
If it's not wind, yeah, if it's not wind,
There is no new thing. Huh?
There are new things.
if we hang inside, it takes too long.
There are new things.
There is no new thing.
There are new things. But we have and no.
Give me bad, yeah, you wait, give me a give me a
What do you want me in give me a
What is shot made to a car, my John, the big last technique.
Wow, come on. Nang acha kayo pukikwa. Anga industry panga manu jobo wa.
Now the question is,
You come talk to our car here.
wow, no tear, car machine or what?
Baba, jog and roll the query when a rope are again, a charge and the bull and a work.
Hello, wow, that was wow. Wow, no, get look in my can go wow. No, can I look at can here?
You Jim a poet with piano. Jim a poet with piano. Very UK, you dig it, pretty by your manure, my John.
Car can dig a bit.
You are working.
I'm
Bosco, you made America, Yabu water chant.
I'm not trying for me no water.
Made a chant water.
Let me say,
You made the UK.
there was moving.
Yeah, never on your never got away.
People were talking. There was something.
Oil it and living all in the
Okay, go to this now. Okay, this chicken is too scared. It's afraid. Oops.
Go start with the chicken.
The chicken is scared.
Yeah,
it's going. It's too scared.
I am doing right now what I've taken time without doing.
Hello, Mr. Cock. Oh, you're not okay.
This
Why
one
hiding?
here.
See? It's the bunnies. Oh, they're so cute. Hello, Mr. Cock. She's hiding.
Maya, start singing.
Maya, what's your name? Your old
Maya.
name. Hmm?
My name is Maya.
Another one.
Lutara.
That's a wonderful name.
That's my surname. Like my family name.
Okay. How old are you?
Marot Lutara.
How old are you?
7.
Which school are you studying?
In Chadren International School.
Which class?
P2.
Which? Okay, P2. That's good. What of you? What's your name?
Mary.
Oh,
Desire.
I said old.
Abe.
No. Okay. Which class are you in?
P4.
P4.
Yeah.
Which school are you studying?
Police Primary School.
Okay. How old are you?
9 going to 10.
Okay. When's your birthday? What of you? When's your birthday?
May 8th. May the 8th. My May.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Maya,
Yes.
how about I ask you a question about school?
Okay.
If I ask you that 1 plus 1,
2,
2 plus 2,
4,
okay. What about
20 plus what?
50.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's good. Okay. Let me see. English.
English.
Yeah. Spell the word of box.
BOA. X.
That's good. What of a boy?
BOY.
That's wonderful. What of you? Can I ask you about maths?
Okay.
20 plus 20.
40.
That's good. Okay, 30 plus 20.
50.
What? That's wonderful. Okay, English.
Okay.
Spell the word girl.
GIRL.
What of I?
What?
I. This I you
E.
need to see.
EYE.
That's wonderful. A dog.
DOG.
What of a cat?
CAT. T-H-E.
Okay. A tree.
T-H-E.
No, that's not correct. T-R-E-E. Okay, I'm done interviewing. Thank you for having the time.
Okay, Maya, scan your photo. Video. Maya, okay, you catch a video. It's a video. A video? What's your name? My name is Mary. All of them. Abedzai Mary. What do you love studying the most? It's...
I know what to get the video. First wait. I take the video of those people when they're jumping. Okay.
I'll take.
So the washing, yeah, it's red, it's flashing. Oh, you can't even see me. So the washing is done now, and now it's breakfast time. That's what I'm gonna be eating. I think they put a D in it as well. Maya, what are you doing exactly? Yeah. So let me just eat my porridge. Now I'm removing my hair. Sonia is helping me. She's here. And some dancing is going on. That's why I had to pick up the camera. Because of the dancing.
I didn't take it.
I don't want to get too tired
No,
before the real thing comes.
for the real thing.
Yeah.
No, but the real thing today. So I've just taken all of my hair out with the help of Sonia and Ivanucci and Maya did one or two. Just washing my hair. It's good. Just kind of getting all the shampoo in there. Getting it really clean. Cannot wait to just put some oil in it and just twist it and let it stretch. The shrinkage. The shrinkage. My hair is washed now and I feel good. I'm gonna go out, maybe look for some braids for the next style and let my hair dry overnight and then maybe plait tomorrow. The music video is tomorrow, my mom's music video. Then I'll try and do it today. I'm just gonna probably just call her just to confirm. So I just went to collect my laundry from outside. Now I'm just gonna fold and put them away. I love doing laundry in Uganda. The sun just dries them quick, like quick. You wash in the morning and they dry by afternoon. Everything's folded up now and I'm gonna put them away. This is not Glen, this is a different one. I was limping. Hi mommy, you're ready for your music video?
Yes, I am ready.
Will it be filmed today or will we have to postpone a bit?
On the time will tell.
Yeah, but you look good anyway.
Thank you.
You look good anyway.
Yeah,
So we might as well take this opportunity to maybe get a photo.
yeah.
I'm just gonna take it now. Hello, Lucky David.
Yes, please.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank
Yeah?
you. Yes. So how are things going today in terms of the filming and all that?
Like we are trying to look into the time
Yeah.
because we're not quite sure that this time will really favor us because the weather is not really like it's okay, but the timing is not like okay.
God doesn't sleep.
And they're different colors. Calvin has pink.
No bad penny and all. God doesn't sleep. Actually, now we
You're one, you know. You're one.
I wanted pink.
We wanted two of you to have that color.
Okay, fine.
And then I have a different color from you. And I take another one.
Okay.
You want blue?
If you want this and
KK, join us.
I don't
in our
mind. It
world.
doesn't matter to me.
KK is
I love blue. I mean, I love yellow.
But for the video now, because you use it.
You see?
Yeah, sure.
Then after the video,
You want to give me a use?
It's much bigger.
okay.
Yeah.
After video, I give you, then you don't use the two of them. You like you just change. Keep on changing.
You'll fall. Ooh, no, she won't fall. So I ordered some masala fries here. I didn't really plan to, but they came to my table and I had to order something, so I got these. Yeah, now I'm gonna eat. Dig in.